Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all fine. Okay, so before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and also don't forget to like. Okay, so we'll go into the topic theorem. So today I'm going to tell you about one important theorem. Okay, so show that for any frequency distribution, coefficient of kurtosis is greater than unity. Okay, so that is nothing but symbolically we can say that coefficient of kurtosis is nothing but it is denoted with what? Coefficient of kurtosis is denoted with beta 2. Okay, so greater than unity. Greater than unity. Unity is nothing but 1. Okay, so that means we have to prove this one. Okay, now we are going to prove this one. Proof. Okay, so we have to prove that beta 2 greater than 1. Okay, so what is beta 2? What is the formula of beta 2? So beta 2 formula is nothing but mu 4 by mu 2 square. So greater than 1. Okay, so this one we have to prove. Then what is mu 4? What is mu 2? What is mu 4? Mu 4 is nothing but same. Where mu 4 equals to nothing but 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar to the power of 4. So mu 4 is nothing but it's a central moment. So central moment in the sense here we get x bar. Okay, non-central means in place of x bar we'll get a. Okay, but here central moments no, so that's why x bar. It is mu 4 no, so that's why power 4. Next, what is mu 2? Mu 2 equals to 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar to the power of 2. Nothing but xi minus x bar whole to the power of square or else 2. Okay, so now we have to prove this one. Okay, so for that what we have to do is here. So for that we have to do, let ai equals to root of fi into xi minus x bar whole square and bi equals to root of fi. Okay, now we have to assume these values. ai equals to root of fi into xi minus x bar whole square and bi equals to root of fi. Okay, so now we have to use Cauchy-Schwarz inequality in order to get this format. Okay, so now we have to use Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. So this formula we have to use. So what is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality formula? That is nothing but summation I equals to 1 to n ai square into summation I equals to 1 to n bi square. Okay, greater than or equals to summation I equals to 1 to n ai bi whole square. Okay, so this is Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Okay, so now we have to substitute ai value, bi value in this equation. Okay, now we'll think this is equation 1. Okay, so now substitute ai, bi values in equation 1. So what is ai values? Bi values. Okay, so now we are going to substitute those values. So summation I equals to 1 to n, ai in the sense what? This one. Okay, so ai in the sense, here ai square is there, no? So ai in the sense root of fi into xi minus x bar to the power of square into, here what is a square? Okay, next into, now bi. Summation I equals to 1 to n, bi in the sense what? Root of fi whole square. Okay, completed. Greater than or equals to, now summation I equals to 1 to n, ai in the sense what? Root of fi into xi minus x bar whole square into bi. Bi in the sense what? Root of fi whole square. Here square is there, no? Whole square. So now we will simplify this one. Summation I equals to 1 to n fi, root fi whole square in the sense what? Fi. Okay. So xi minus x bar, here square and here square. Nothing but we'll get what? 4. Whole power 4. Okay. Next. Into summation I equals to 1 to n root of fi whole square in the sense nothing but fi. Okay. Greater than or equals to, here summation I equals to 1 to n, again root of fi, here whole square is there. So root 2 square get cancelled, so fi only we will have into xi minus x bar whole square. Again here root of fi whole square. Here is 2, here 2. That means what we will get here? Or else we will leave like this only. Okay. If you keep 4 also nothing happens. If you keep like this also nothing happens. So I am going to keep like this. Power 4. Okay, power 4 into root of fi into whole square. Nothing but what we'll get here? fi. Okay. This is after simplifying we'll get this one. Now we'll write in sequence. This term we'll write in the sequence. Okay. See. Summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole power 4 into summation I equals to 1 to n into fi. Okay, into fi. Okay, so greater than or equals to, here we have to use brackets. So greater than or equals to, if you observe this one, here summation I equals to 1 to n fi into fi. So fi into fi is nothing but fi square. And here what we are having, xi minus x bar whole power 4. So how we can write this one? See, summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole to the power of 2. Why? Because here we want mu2 square. So that's why I am keeping, that means this 4 I am going to write like this. fi into square in the sense you will get fi square only. Here 1 fi, here 1 fi. So nothing but fi square. And here square and here also square. So nothing but you will get power 4 only, no? Yeah. See, here mu 4 in the sense, what is the value of mu 4? 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole power 4. But here we are not having any n term, isn't it? Do we have any n term here? We are not having any n term. So that's why we have to divide by n square for the above equation, for the above term, or else above equation. Okay, so see, summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar to the power of 4 into summation I equals to 1 to n fi whole by n square. Okay, greater than or equals to summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole square into whole power square by what? N square. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to divide this n square, or else in place of n square I can also write n equals to summation fi, nothing but summation fi no n value, so I am going to write here so that we can cancel this term. Okay, so summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar to the power of 4 into summation I equals to 1 to n fi by summation fi whole square, nothing but summation I equals to 1 to n fi whole square greater than or equals to summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole square into again whole square by what? N square. I am going to write here n square only. Why? Because here no extra summation fi value. So that's why I am not going to write in place of n this value. Only here I am writing. Why? Because we don't want this one. We want only this term. So that's why I have written here itself. So now this one fi and here one fi will be cancelled. So 1 by summation I equals to 1 to n fi is nothing but n. 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar to the power of 4. Okay, so this summation I equals to 1 to n fi is nothing but n, no? So that's why I have written here. So greater than or equals to here 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar square into whole power again square, nothing but here n square, no? So I have written this full term whole power 2. Okay, so if you observe, so what is the value of this one? See, mu 4, isn't it? So mu 4 is nothing but 1 by n. Here 1 by n. Summation is there. fi is there. xi minus x bar whole power 4 is there, no? So that's why in place of here we can write mu 4, no? Mu 4 greater than or equals to, in place of this one what we can write if you observe this one, mu 2. 1 by n summation I equals to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So that means in place of this we can write mu 2 square. Okay. So if you bring this term this side, so what you will have? Mu 4 by mu 2 square greater than or equals to here 1. So mu 4 by mu 2 square is nothing but here beta 2. So beta 2 greater than or equals to 1. Okay. So now we have to prove this one only, no? Here sometimes they will give greater than or equals to also they will give. Okay, na? So they may give anything or equals to. So we got two terms. Greater than is there, equals to is there. Okay. So this is about the theorem. This is very important theorem. Okay. So hope you all understand. Okay. Did you? Okay. I think everybody understood this theorem.
Okay, so please, if you are newly watching my video, please subscribe my channel for latest updates, and also don't forget to share with your friends. It may helpful for them. Okay, and don't forget to like this video. If you like this video will be reached to many students and it may helpful for them. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.